Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you're in gasoline and petroleum wholesaling, especially dealing with midstream logistics, transport, and storage, you already know how demanding this part of the business is. Moving bulk fuel efficiently from production sites to terminal storage, it's complex, high stakes, and constantly changing. And let's be real, fuel prices, regulatory pressure, safety expectations, and now sustainability, it's all hitting us at once. Lately, I've been digging into something that could seriously change the game for us: generative AI. At first, it sounded like just another tech buzzword, but once I looked closer, really broke it down into how it applies to our world of pipelines, tankers, trucks, and terminals, I realized this isn't just hype. So here's what I've learned and how it might reshape how we do things. Let's start with the obvious: transportation optimization. We've always relied on fixed schedules, past trends, and gut feel, but that doesn't cut it when weather changes, roads close, or demand spikes. With AI, especially generative AI powered by machine learning, we're talking real-time route planning that adapts instantly. It's pulling in live data, traffic, weather, roadblocks, and recalculating the best path right now, not based on what worked last week. What does that mean for us? Shorter trips, less fuel wasted, lower emissions. That's not just operational efficiency, that's regulatory brownie points and real cost savings. But it doesn't stop there. AI gives us predictive decision-making tools. Imagine being able to simulate different scenarios before something goes wrong. What if a highway shuts down? What if demand suddenly spikes in a specific terminal? With predictive analytics, AI helps us prepare, not just react. That kind of resilience, it's a huge advantage. Now think about inventory and asset management. Instead of guessing how much fuel to keep in each location, AI learns from past sales, seasonality, weather, and even local events to forecast demand. So we stock smarter, no overages, no shortages, just smoother flow across the entire network. And here's where it really gets interesting. Machine learning, the engine behind it all, is driving some major innovations. It's forecasting demand with more precision than we ever could manually. It's optimizing delivery routes by crunching more data than our old systems could dream of. And it's predicting vehicle maintenance needs before breakdowns happen, saving us downtime and keeping trucks on the road. We're also seeing AI streamline driver and fleet scheduling, matching the right vehicles with the right jobs at the right time. And it improves real-time shipment tracking, giving us and our clients visibility and peace of mind. One area I didn't expect to see AI make such a big impact: safety. It's analyzing accident patterns, identifying risky routes, and even monitoring for things like proper PPE use in hazardous zones using video feeds. We're not just reacting after something goes wrong, we're stopping problems before they happen. All of that adds up to massive potential. The sources I reviewed even pointed to transport cost reductions of 20 to 30%. That's huge for a midstream operation. Add in fuel savings and better ESG reporting from lower emissions, and you're looking at a major competitive edge. But let's be honest, it's not plug and play. There are real challenges. First, the data. If the info you feed your AI is messy, inconsistent, or outdated, you're setting yourself up for bad decisions. So data quality, profiling, cleaning, verifying, it's not optional. It's step one. Then there's connectivity. Remote terminals, offshore platforms, if the AI can't access real-time data because of poor signal or bandwidth, its usefulness drops fast. And don't underestimate the human side. Finding people who get both the logistics and the AI is tough. Getting buy-in from the team? Even tougher, especially if their KPIs are tied to old ways of working. You need internal champions who see the long game and can drive adoption. Oh, and then there's compliance. Environmental rules, safety regulations, data privacy, it's a minefield. AI can help you navigate it, but only if your legal and risk folks are looped in from the beginning. Plus, the talent shortage in AI and data science is real. So, unless you're investing in upskilling your current team, you'll likely be paying premium rates for external consultants. That's the reality check. But here's the question I'm asking myself, and maybe you should too. If the benefits are this transformative, lower costs, better safety, higher reliability, then how high a priority should it be for us to fix the foundation? That means investing in clean data, building internal AI skills, and aligning AI projects with our business strategy. Because if we get that part right, everything else follows. So yeah, I'm excited. Cautious, but excited. Generative AI might just be the tool we need to finally get ahead of the curve in midstream logistics, not just to survive, but to thrive. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.